The SEMA Show 2024 has officially concluded, and it brought with it an impressive lineup of new tools and technologies for the automotive world. This year saw over 2,400 exhibitors from more than 140 countries, showcasing products that push the limits in performance, design, and innovation. So, excited to know what new tools we have from the SEMA Show 2024? Let's start from Fantic. Fantic made the Fold S1 Apex for easy use and everyday convenience. This screwdriver can switch between a straight and pistol grip because of its special foldable hinge. It helps you hold it comfortably, even in tight spaces. It also has an LED light that helps you see better when you're working in dim areas or tight corners. The battery is a 3.7 volt lithium-ion, which gives you enough power for light jobs, and it's easy to recharge with a USB-C cable. This tool often comes with a set of bits, so you don't have to worry about finding the right one. To use it, just pick the right bit, slide it into the head of the tool, and pick either the straight or pistol position. Turn it on, then press forward or reverse to tighten or loosen screws. The LED light will automatically turn on to give you more light. When the battery's low, just connect it to a USB-C cable to charge it back up. Fantic has brought us another one, the NB8 Nano Electric Sprayer. This portable sprayer uses a rechargeable battery and is designed to spray liquids in an ultra-fine mist. Unlike ordinary spray bottles, this one uses advanced nanospray technology to get smaller droplets that spread evenly over surfaces. This makes it especially handy for sanitizing high-touch areas or surfaces with lots of little nooks that a wipe can't easily reach. All you have to do is fill it with a water-based cleaning solution or disinfectant, and it pressurizes the liquid by creating a fine mist that covers more with less. The controls are simple, and it has a continuous spray feature, so you don't need to keep pressing a trigger. Great for larger spaces. Overall, the Fantic NB8 Nano makes cleaning and disinfecting easy, quick, and really effective. Next up, the Pro Eagle Jack Lock is a secure bracket made to hold Pro Eagle jacks firmly in place during transport. It's built with strong materials that match the jack's size exactly. In this way, it gives the jack a snug, reliable grip without causing any damage. The lock attaches to a mount on the truck bed or trailer, where you can put the jack on the bracket and lock it down using a latch or screw. This simple design stops the jack from moving, sliding, or making noise. Some models also let you add a padlock for extra security. If you need to transport heavy equipment, the Pro Eagle Jack Lock is a smart way to keep your jack safe and steady, especially on rough terrain. Now let's talk about an all-in-one tool, the Master RPT Hex and Star Driver, which is a multifunctional driver specifically designed to handle an array of repair, maintenance, and DIY projects. Its versatility comes from a range of interchangeable driver bits that cover both hex and star shapes. Apparently, it enables it to accommodate various screw and bolt types. Here's how it works. First, identify the type of screw or bolt you're dealing with. Next, select either the hex or star bit from the tool's set, attach it to the handle, and position it over the screw head. Due to its unique grip-focused design, the driver securely grips each screw, minimizing slippage and maximizing control. This secure grip makes it easy to apply just the right amount of pressure and prevents any over-tightening or stripping of screws. In essence, the Master RPT is your go-to tool for helping you tackle tasks quickly while reducing the number of tools you need to carry. As for welding machines, we have the Ranger 330 MPX that brings together multiple welding processes, MEG, TIG, stick, and flux core in one compact device. What makes it even more versatile is its ability to run on both AC and DC. It offers a wide range of welding capabilities to suit different tasks. The unit connects to a power source, which can either be a gasoline engine or the electric grid, and then ensures you have the energy needed to tackle your projects. Whether you're working with MIG, TIG, or stick welding, you can quickly switch modes to change how the wire or electrode is fed and how the arc is controlled. The control panel is intuitive. It gives you control over settings such as voltage, current, and welding speed, so you can adjust them to match the demands of your project. Overall, the Ranger 330 MPX is a highly adaptable and portable welding machine. It's time to jump to the Oxido portable car jumper that transforms the way we handle dead car batteries. This professional-grade device delivers reliable jump-starting power in a portable form factor. Along with its standalone operation, you won't need to flag down another vehicle for assistance. The unit features multiple USB ports for device charging, as well as effectively serving as a mobile power station. To operate it, just attach the cables, initiate the power transfer, and your vehicle will be running in moments. What you'd love most is not having to wait around for someone else to help. You can handle it yourself in minutes. It comes in handy for charging your phone during long trips too. Once you have one of these, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. You know those times when you're trying to clean your car and you just can't reach certain spots? That's exactly why you need the Tornado Mini in your life. It's this clever little tool that combines air pressure with cleaning solution to do the hard work for you. When you use it, you'll immediately notice how it gets into all those frustrating nooks and crannies that your regular cleaning supplies can't touch. When you activate the trigger mechanism, it releases a carefully calibrated mixture that hits surfaces at the perfect pressure. Just pull the trigger and watch as it blasts away dirt from your vents, between your seats, and around those impossible to clean buttons. It's like having a professional detailer's secret weapon in your own hands. Coming up next is the hardtop remover lift, which incorporates multiple features that work together at all times. You know that feeling when you want to take your hardtop off but dread the whole process? At its core, it carries a hydraulic system that bears the full weight of your vehicle's hardtop. It turns what used to be a stressful operation into something you can handle on your own, whenever you want. You just attach it to your hardtop and watch as it takes care of all the heavy lifting for you. So you no longer have to wait for someone to help or worry about scratching your vehicle. When you're ready to store your top, the remover lift helps you place it safely aside. It's like having your own personal assistant dedicated to making your vehicle's life easier. The Smoke Pro Total Tech is a specialized tool that produces a thick, visible smoke, which is pumped into the car's engine or other systems. By doing this, it helps mechanics find hidden leaks in places like the intake, exhaust, or evap system. It's an essential tool for identifying small leaks that could be hard to detect with the naked eye. The machine generates smoke using a special fluid. This smoke is then directed into the car's systems. When there's a leak, the smoke will escape from that spot, clearly showing where the issue is. This helps the technician pinpoint exactly where to focus their repairs, as well as saving both time and money for both the mechanic and the car owner. In short, the Smoke Pro Total Tech is a powerful tool that makes fixing car issues easier, faster, and more accurate. Let's have a look at the Koken sleeve drive system. Picture a carefully designed sleeve that wraps around your socket connection point. This sleeve isn't just any component. It's specifically designed with internal mechanisms that grip the socket firmly in place. You'll notice how the sleeve slides forward to engage the socket with a satisfying click and creates that essential secure fit. What's really impressive is the retention force. It holds tight during high torque applications, yet releases smoothly when you need to switch sockets. To add on that, the sleeve's internal design eliminates common issues like socket wobble or accidental releases, while the smooth sliding action prevents any binding or sticking. When you need to switch sockets, it's as simple as sliding the sleeves back. It's one of those tools that just works with you and makes your work flow smoother. You know that feeling when you're working on your car and just can't get the right angle with your tools? The Gear Wrench Automotive Toolset completely changes that experience. When you're using these tools, you'll notice how naturally they fit in your hand and how smoothly they turn, even in tight spaces. You'd love how you don't have to swing the ratchet as far to get it working. Just a tiny movement, and you're making progress. You'll appreciate having every tool you need right there in the carrying case and knowing they're strong enough to handle whatever job you throw at them. It's like having a professional-grade tool set that actually understands what you need when working on your vehicle. When you're working on your brakes, the last thing you want is to spend hours manually bleeding the system. That's where the electric pressure brake bleeder comes in to help. When you connect this unit to your brake fluid reservoir, its electric-powered system generates precise pressure to move fluid through every brake line in your vehicle. The old, contaminated brake fluid gets pushed out, along with any trapped air bubbles that could make your brakes feel spongy. The electric pressure system maintains perfect consistency throughout the entire process. You'll get complete coverage of all brake lines, from the master cylinder to each wheel cylinder, and ensure fresh fluid reaches every corner of the system. And on top of that, the automated pressure control prevents common issues like overflow or air re-entry that often happen with manual bleeding. Moving on, The L4 portable air pump delivers professional-grade inflation capabilities in a simple design. This portable pump packs ample functionality into its compact frame. The dual power system integrates a long-lasting rechargeable battery with car outlet compatibility. This actually ensures you're never without power. The digital gauge displays real-time pressure readings in PSI, while the auto-stop feature activates the moment your target pressure is achieved. So whether you're dealing with low tire pressure on your morning commute or setting up camp with air mattresses, the versatile nozzle attachments accommodate everything from Schrader valves to needle adapters. For better convenience, the ergonomic design incorporates a built-in LED light for nighttime use, and the entire unit weighs just enough to feel substantial so that it won't sacrifice portability. When you're dealing with a leak in your HVAC system or plumbing, you need something reliable that just works. That's exactly what you get with the HD Leak Tester. You know how frustrating it is when you hear that hissing sound, but can't figure out where it's coming from. This tool solves that problem for you. It uses HD ultrasonic technology to listen for leaks that you might miss, kind of like having superhuman hearing. You just scan it around your system, and it tells you precisely where the problem is. The best part is how much time and money you save. Instead of tearing apart your whole system looking for a leak, you can find and fix it right away. It's one of those tools that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. Next, the Jokari Super 4 Pro simplifies electrical work by incorporating 4 essential functions into one useful tool. The cutting mechanism uses hardened steel blades that slice through wires with minimal effort. It gives you precise cuts exactly where you need them. The stripping function features multiple gauge settings that automatically adjust to different wire sizes and prevent any damage to the underlying conductors. For crimping, the tool applies uniform pressure across connectors, creating secure, long-lasting connections that meet industry standards. The wire twisting capability ensures perfectly twisted pairs to maintain consistent tension throughout the connection. And the ergonomically designed handle distributes pressure evenly across your palm so that it reduces fatigue during repetitive tasks. The IK Foam Pro 2 is specifically designed to apply foam onto surfaces to clean or sanitize effectively. It works by using a manual pump mechanism, which eliminates the need for electricity or batteries. This way, it becomes both cost-effective and convenient. When you pump the handle, it builds pressure inside the tank. Once you press the trigger, the pressure forces the cleaning solution through the nozzle, turning it into foam. This foam sticks to surfaces longer, which gives it more time to lift and break down dirt or grime. It's versatile too. You can use it with a range of cleaning solutions, no matter if it's car shampoo or sanitizers, so it's perfect for different cleaning tasks. It's easy to use and ensures you can foam surfaces quickly and efficiently, which makes it ideal for detailed cleaning without the hassle of cords or batteries. If you're looking for a tool that makes screwing things in or taking them out quicker and easier, the Ball Grip rechargeable screwdriver is exactly what you need. It's small and cordless, so you don't have to mess with any tangled wires or search for outlets. The Ball Grip design fits perfectly in your hand, helping you avoid hand strain and giving you better control, especially when you're working in tight spots. What's great is that you don't need to worry about running out of batteries. Just recharge it when the power gets low, and it's good to go again. It works just like any other power screwdriver. The motor spins the bit when you pull the trigger, and you can control the speed and direction with the switch or trigger. Once the battery's low, simply plug it in to charge, and you'll be back at it in no time. When your car battery dies and you're stuck, the Carku Car Jump Starter is there for you. It's a portable power source that lets you start your car without waiting for another vehicle or roadside assistance. It's small enough to keep in your car, and it's filled with safety features like overcharge protection and short circuit prevention, so you can use it with confidence. It's also great for charging your phone, tablet, or laptop when you're in an emergency or away from power outlets. To get your car going, just connect the red cable to the positive battery terminal, the black one to the negative terminal, and flip the switch. The jump starter will do the rest and give your battery a quick boost to get your engine running. The Tight Reach Flexible Extension Clamp is a tool built to handle difficult, hard-to-reach areas that most regular tools can't manage. It consists of 2 main components, the flexible extension arm and the clamp. The extension arm is incredibly adaptable, able to bend and stretch to fit into tight spaces. This allows you to reach places like behind heavy furniture, under your kitchen appliances, or deep inside cabinets where your hands and larger tools can't go. The clamp itself is strong, sturdy, and designed to grip objects firmly. Once attached to the item you're working with, the flexible arm lets you position it precisely, twisting and turning to accommodate the angles you need to work in. Whether you're fixing something, installing a new part, or working on a car, this tool helps you tackle jobs that require precision but are confined to cramped spaces. Lastly, if you're tired of running to the mechanic every time your car acts up, the bidirectional diagnostic scan tool is the one you should get. This handheld device plugs right into your car's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard, and gives you access to all the important info your car's computer has. No matter if you're dealing with that annoying check engine light, or something like an issue with your brakes or air conditioning, this tool will show you exactly what's going on. It pulls up error codes and explains them, so you know if something needs fixing. And once you've dealt with the issue, you can reset those codes or turn off the warning lights. It's like being your own mechanic, saving you time and the cost of a shop visit. So these are the tools and equipment we got from the SEMA Show 2024. Thanks for watching. Let us know which one you're going to get in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.